Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, your ultimate destination for all things on wheels. Today, we're diving into the world of buses with an in-depth review of the 2025 Tata Starbus Double Door. This remarkable addition to Tata's commercial vehicle lineup has been designed with urban transit and modern infrastructure in mind, promising to redefine efficiency and convenience for public transportation. With its sleek and functional design, the Starbus Double Door caters to the evolving needs of urban commuters and operators alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Tata Starbus Double Door stands out with its contemporary aesthetic and practical build. The dual-door design ensures smoother boarding and deboarding, significantly reducing stoppage times and enhancing passenger flow. Its robust frame is built to handle the challenges of urban environments while maintaining a polished and professional appearance. LED headlights and modern indicators ensure better visibility, contributing to both safety and style. Moving to the heart of the Starbus, it boasts a powerful and fuel-efficient engine that meets stringent emission norms. This ensures reduced environmental impact while maintaining excellent performance. The refined engine pairs with an advanced transmission system, delivering a smoother driving experience and greater fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for operators looking to optimize costs. Inside, the Tata Starbus Double Door offers a spacious and well-thought-out cabin. Designed with passenger comfort in mind, it features ergonomically designed seats with ample legroom and headroom. The layout ensures maximum seating capacity without compromising comfort. Additionally, the bus is equipped with modern air conditioning, ensuring a pleasant ride even during extreme weather conditions. The large windows provide ample natural light and scenic views, creating an inviting atmosphere for passengers. One of the standout features of the Starbus is its focus on accessibility. The low-floor design and wide doors make it convenient for differently abled individuals and elderly passengers to board and alight effortlessly. This inclusive approach highlights Tata's commitment to catering to diverse commuter needs. Furthermore, the bus is equipped with advanced safety features, including anti-lock braking systems and electronic stability control, ensuring a secure ride for passengers and drivers. The technology integration in the 2025 Tata Starbus Double Door is another aspect worth noting. It includes a state-of-the-art infotainment system with multiple connectivity options, keeping passengers engaged throughout their journey. Additionally, the driver's cockpit is equipped with an intuitive dashboard, digital displays, and ergonomic controls, enhancing ease of operation and reducing fatigue during long hours on the road. Maintenance and durability have also been prioritized in the design of the Starbus. The robust build quality, combined with Tata's reliable after-sales service network, ensures hassle-free maintenance and longer vehicle life. Operators can expect reduced downtime and lower operational costs, making this bus a practical and profitable investment. In summary, the 2025 Tata Starbus Double Door is a testament to Tata's commitment to innovation and excellence in the commercial vehicle sector. Its blend of style, functionality, and cutting-edge features positions it as a leader in modern public transportation. Whether you're a commuter, a transit operator, or an enthusiast, the Starbus Double Door promises to exceed expectations in every aspect. If you're new to Wheelcraft Studio, we're thrilled to have you here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest reviews and insights into the world of vehicles. See you in the next video.